Let's talk about the letter A. We've been conditioned to think it's the ultimate goal of childhood. If the report card is full of A's, our kid is smart. If it's full of D's, they're failing. But as a teacher, I saw the truth. Grades don't measure intelligence, they measure obedience. The grading system was designed over 100 years ago to prepare children for factory work. It wasn't built to encourage bold thinkers. It was built to reward those who follow instructions perfectly and don't question the process. To the parents, have you noticed that the more your child focuses on the grade, the less they care about the subject? We've turned learning into a transaction. Will this be on the test? Is the death of curiosity. In the real world, nobody cares about your GPA. They care about your ability to solve problems, your resilience when you fail, and your creativity. School grades actually punish risk-taking. If you try something new and fail, your grade drops. So kids learn to play it safe. They learn to be average but compliant. It's time to stop the grade chase. Emphasis: we need to value mastery, not marks. In our next episode, we're going to talk about the socialized teacher. I'm going to share why it's so hard for educators to leave the system, even when they know it's broken, and how to find your identity outside the classroom. Let's keep unlearning.